Man, hey, every once in a while, the sun will shine on the dogs. Never mind. Bruh, listen, I've been trying to hit a pair of Kobe's for retail forever. Whether it be sneakers app, online raffles at other outlets. Bruh, your boy been coming up empty, to say the least. Bruh, I have never had any luck with securing a pair of Kobe's for retail. Yeah, since this whole trend with Kobe started. Now, before Kobe's were cool, it was easy to get a pair of Kobe's, but now, not so much. But as fate may have it, the sneaker gods have shined down on your boy, and we have secured a pair of the Kobe Protro in the numerology series, right? Court purple. Now, this shoe did launch last week with the unveiling of the Kobe statue there at the crypt. Well, I guess the house that Kobe built. And so the shoe does have some significance to a specific date, which it released on February 8th, 2024. Kobe's numbers 8 and 24, as you can see all over the sneaker there. So this may be one for me to just say, hey, bucko, suck it up, keep that sneaker in the collection just because it does have that significance and that time in history where it did drop on the release date or on the unveiling of his statue there at the crypt. Are we really feeling this sneaker? Are we really? Because I got it in, I unboxed it, and I was underwhelmed. But at the same time, I was excited because it was my first ever hitting on the sneakers app for Kobe. After all those releases and the ones that I just really wanted, I wanted the Mamba Citas, I wanted the Grinches, I wanted the reverse Grinches, bruh, and so many others. I just ain't ever hit. It don't matter what I did, multiple accounts. Boy, and as soon as I entered the draw on these, I knew it was gonna happen just because I wasn't really feeling them. I wasn't. And when I got them in, I still really wasn't feeling them. But the wife did say, hey, look, I ain't really feeling them either, but you got to keep them. You got to keep them. There's too much significance on that day for that sneaker. You got to keep it. And I was like, yeah, you got a point. So, with that being said, I might as well tow it because if the wife said you got to keep it, bruh, you got to keep it. And she normally don't get involved in these sneaker affairs. So, you let me know, bro. Are we really feeling this sneaker? Or in the size 13 is what this is right now. On the secondary market, the shoe's going for about 360, 375, right? I paid 210 for it. Is it a long hole? I don't know. We ain't gonna sell it anyway. We don't do that here on the set. Well, we try not to buy sneakers just to resell them, but I hate to return them to Nike because they be flagging people's accounts and all of that crazy. I ain't got time for all that. I be trying to hit for retail and get on up out of there. So I guess they gotta go to the toe, man. They gotta go to the toe. I look at some of these details, man. As you can see, man, it's got the 8 and the 2-4 all on the top panel of this shoe, all the way down to the toe box, right? You got the court purple laces. You got the Kobe logo on the insole. And you got the Kobe logo on this translucent court purple outsole. You can't, I mean, I'm a Lakers fan, bro. Let's just get that part understood. So anytime you can get a court purple sneaker, I mean, you kind of can't go wrong with that if you got Lakers merch, right? Is it a pretty basic Kobe? Yes, it is. Absolutely, it is. But most Kobe's are. They are pretty basic. They were meant that way to be light and give Kobe the flexibility and traction and whatever he needed on the court. So it's more of a lifestyle thing, not right now, because I ain't hooping these days. If you see me hooping, bro, just go ahead and hit 9-1. And then when I hit the ground, hit the other one and get them people out there so they can get me out of there. But I digress. You always doing that, bro. So, all right. But anyway, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know how we gonna rock these. I mean, not how we gonna rock them, but when we gonna rock them. I don't know. They probably just gonna go somewhere back there or in the other sneaker closet, whatever. They gonna go somewhere. Just not sure if it's gonna be for the toe. But me being a Lakers fan and me being a Kobe's fan, bro, I feel alright with it. I'm cool with this purchase because it was my first ever retail hit. Smack the sneakers app for these, and it's probably because a lot of people weren't really checking for them. But I digress. Again, if you stuck with me this long, man, I'm your boy Money Matt here on the set where we do reviews on sneakers, electronics, and toys. And we change the T from toys to tech, right? It's only right. We flexible. We can do what we want to do. But yeah, man, if you stuck around this long, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when we drop some more content here on the set where we get our hands in all kind of crazy shit. I'm your boy Money Matt, man. Kobe Protro Court Purples, and we gone. Peace.